Hey everybody, how's it going? As you can see in front of me here, we have my next project. It is a Voron Trident 300 millimeter, so a little bit bigger than my previous one, which was a 250. Here you can see we have all of the printed parts. Well, not all of them. These are all the functional parts. So none of the skirts, none of the panel holders, and that's intentional. I'm doing something different for those. I'm going to need to do some redesigning. But we have everything here that we need to actually turn this frame into a functional printer. So that's going to be the plan over the next few weeks here. These are all in Polymaker ASA, so I'm curious to see how that performs. I've heard mixed things about it, to be honest. Printing it was interesting. It needed a lot of cooling, like a lot of cooling. So it's probably blended with something. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see how it holds up in decently high chamber temps. I'm not going to spill all the beans regarding my plans just yet, but you'll see there are going to be some insulated panels on this guy, so it should get pretty toasty. So this is, again, the sort of part 0 video I always make, just going over what the plan is. I'm going to try to do a bunch of different videos, one on the gantry, one on the Z, electronics, tool head, which I haven't decided yet, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. I have a Dragon High Flow, Rapido High Flow, and a Bamboo Labs hot end, all of which I could use, or potentially, you know, could convert the Rapido High Flow to a UHF, or put a volcano block on the Dragon, that sort of thing. So I do have a lot of options there, but I'm not sure yet. Otherwise, this is going to be a pretty stock build. I'm not planning on going too crazy with it, purely because there's so many options that I just sort of get overwhelmed with them, don't know what to do. So at the very least, I'm going to start stock, but realistically speaking, it's going to stay that way. I'm not motion system limited on my main Trident anyways. It all comes down to part cooling, so I don't really see how this would be any different. I do want to try for some quality of life mods, mainly the inverted electronics mod, which I've heard is an absolute godsend. Don't have that on my current Trident, so I really want to try it out on this one. Other than that though, yeah, again, nothing crazy. Few little quality of life things. Obviously a better tool head, not doing stealth burner, but otherwise, that's it. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next part. I'll try to get it out fairly soon. It's going to just be the gantry stuff, which really shouldn't take that long to get on. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.